Alright, so let's do the timing. Here's the kit for the 1.4. This is what the two tools that you need. This one is for the crank right here. We'll do that later. Alright, so you can see we got the crank pulley out. We got the crank bolt back in there so we can spin this. Alright, we're gonna put this on top dead center. We got the piston. Go ahead. We got the piston to go up on the top. Keep going. There we go. It's going up slowly. Okay, stop. Pull right here. Oh yeah. See? It leaves the mark.
Yes.
Leaves the mark right there. And then this one right here, it goes at the back. So spin it a little bit slower. Oh, stop. Oh, go back, go back, go back. A little bit, go back. That's good. And then this one should be flat. It looks good. It looks flat like that. We'll put a bolt in here, lock it in place, and bolt on the other side, lock it in place. All right, we'll use this bolt, come with the kit. Bolt there, and then bolt on the other side. All right, there you go. We got the bolt here, and then bolt right there. Just a hand tight. You don't have to be super tight. And then now it's locked in place. Same thing in here. There's a little metal piece. There's a slot to go in on that back end of that cam. We just need to push it more. Let it sit nice and steady, and then you're all set. There you go. Now it's time to take out the valve cover and then take out this chain. Alright guys, the 1.4 Chevy engine. Wow, we got lots of stuff taken out. Up here you can see the coolant, the thermostat, the water pump is out, and then the alternator over there is out. Down the bottom, hey, look at this, there's a big mess down here. Good thing we caught the pail right here. There's coolant out. Crank pulleys out. All the bolts right here. There's so many different sizes bolts. Okay, I'm gonna show you a chart of which way is the long bolt. There's a short bolt and there's a medium-sized bolt on this thing. Water pump is out. All right there. So many bolts in here. So you have to take out everything what's attached to the timing cover. Especially this AC. This is the pain in the butt right here. There's 3 bolts that hold this AC to the bracket right here, and then the bracket to the timing cover right here. So because of that bolts going to the timing cover, we had to take out the AC and the bracket. And there's 3 bolts hold this bracket to the engine. There's one at the very back. Just loose that one up. You don't have to take it out. Make sure this is loose. Bolts up here is out, and then bolts down here is out, so that we could pry this timing cover. There's a slot right here, and there's a slot right there, and then up top there's a slot right here for Muhammad to put a pry bar, and same thing on this back right there. All right, go ahead slowly. Yeah, good job. All right, look at that, guys. Look at that gold cover. It's not good when it's gold like that. Yeah, wow, good job. All right, put that on the side. Back in here, there's our timing chain.
This one.
Yeah, it's loose.
This change it, right?
Yeah. We're just gonna change the chain and maybe the tensioner right here. There you go. We'll take out the guides, the tensioner and the chain, and then we're gonna be taking out the exhaust manifold, the intake, and then take out the head. Take out the head because of the exhaust valve right here is burnt, is leaking, it's not holding compression. 0 psi, nothing. You can see timing is out, cat converter, turbo is out, the attachment on this side is out, the outlet for the coolant is out, and we have to leave the intake manifolds. They're gonna come together with the head when we take out the head. But just make sure all the hoses, harness is away. There's a harness connector back here that we can't reach, so we'll take that out after we take out the head. So there's maybe 8 head bolts in here. So work your way in from inside and then work at the end on the middle. We took this one out already. So yeah, there's no more bolts in there because we had to put this plate in here. This is for your timing, top dead center right there. with the valve are closed on the cylinder number 1. So we had to put a wrench right here to hold it down while we take out the bolt. Same thing, this wrench, hold it down while we take out that bolt. And then when the bolt is out, put this back. So this is done right here. So now all the easy part, we'll take out the head. All right, here we go. So from the outside, work your way inside. So these head bolts are one-time use. You only use it once. So when you install a brand new one, make sure to get a new head bolt. Lift it up. Yeah, let me see the way. Hold on. Yeah. All right, bro. Good job. Look at you. Can I see the back? There we go. Look at that. Yeah.
Which one is bad?
This one.
This one you see the camera.
Yeah, right here. That one right there.
Yeah. This one is bad.
It looks like everything is bad.
Yeah.
Probably change everything.
Yes.
All right, here we go. Look at the piston. Piston is good. No worries. This is the head gasket. We'll take this out. I'm gonna buy a brand new one. So we'll clean those up and then get all those carbon out. And then we are halfway done. This is the halfway point, and then now we'll put a brand new parts and bolt everything down together. That's it. So stay tuned, subscribe guys on this channel. We'll do another part video, continue, and let's see if this thing will start. Thanks for watching.